Good morning, FJ Toyota model here. What I get today is a KDK standard 3-bladed ceiling fan. This ceiling fan is part of aluminum bladed ceiling fan, so maybe the air can be blow hard. And also a brushless motor there. The body is pin too. This fan has no lamp. If you want to install the lamp, it's optional by yourself. This lamp has no pull cane, but this fan has a 5-speed there, and this fan is quite heavy enough, so if you fall it will listen. Alright, so let's set on speed number 2. Again, this fan is heavy, not light. This ceiling fan is quite faster than the Uchida one, and the air is quite good. I always spot it on any restaurant in Indonesia, but not all. So I set on 4 speed. That is the 4 speed. I don't want to set it on 5 speed. If I set it on 5 speed can cause problem to the ceiling. So just 4. The air is quite good, better than the table fan. Alright, this ceiling fan is quite good enough to use on any houses or any restaurants for everybody to patient. Alright, so let's turn it off. Alright guys, this fan stops spinning, so thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe and like this video, or I will send you to the hell. Thank you. Bye bye.